rules for vehicles and means of transport. Just as we go to school or any other place, we come across many types of vehicles and means of transport. Care should be taken where vehicles and traffic is concerned. So, efforts must be taken in this regard. Follow the safety rules given below. 1. Always walk on your left while walking along the road. 2. Always walk along the pedestrian path, that is the footpath. 3. Do not dance, play, sing or talk while walking on the road. 4. Care should be taken not to run and cross the road. It should not be crossed in a hurry. 5. Do not cross in front of a bus, truck or heavy traffic. 6. If there are zebra crossings, then cross only at zebra crossings. 7. Before crossing the road, look to your right, left, and when the road is clear, then only cross the road. 8. In cities, there are signals on the road. Precisely follow the signal rule. See the green signal depicting the walking man and then only cross the road. 9. Do not cross the railway lines. Use the bridge to cross the railway lines. 10. Do not throw peels of fruits on the road. 11. While travelling in any vehicle, do not put out your hand, head, or any other part of the body out of the vehicle. 12. Always get in or out from the left side door of a rickshaw or car. 13. When the bus stops, walk in a queue and get into the bus. Do not get into or get down from a moving bus.